Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. In this video, we'll be doing a self-appreciation, self-care pamper night routine. I really hope that you all enjoy this video. I hope that it inspires you to try your own pamper spa day or pamper night routine, or you can use this video if you want to get some inspiration before going out or staying in for Valentine's Day. So I like to start off by lighting some candles. They don't have to match. You can definitely grab candles from Dollar Tree. You can also grab some LED lights from Dollar Tree as well, if just in case you don't want to light real candles, or you can blend the two together. I'm going to go ahead and turn off a few lights. This also helps to kind of set the mood and just calm the room. To further relax, I like to pull up my Pandora app and I search for my relaxation radio, and this plays the entire time of our pamper night routine. I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back and out of the way. You can definitely do a hair mask during this time as well. I don't use my phone for any other purpose except for the music. I don't respond to text messages, emails, no interruptions. This is just about self. So I'm going to go ahead and take a face mask and apply this using a foundation brush all over my face. This one will sit while we prepare the bath. That way we can rinse it off, and we'll use a different mask that has to sit for a longer amount of time during our bath soaking and relaxation, exfoliation, all of that. You can definitely add in whatever you would like to your water. I'll be using my Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt. This is the Relax and Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint one. I'm also going to add in my Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath with pure Epsom Salt. This is the Relax and Relief with Eucalyptus and Spearmint. I like to use this one because it helps to transform your bath into a relaxing spa. It does have essential oils in it as well that help to soothe your senses and revitalize achy muscles, and also help to relieve you from stress. I also picked up this All That Glitters Soothing Lavender Lily Bath Dust from Five Below. I'm going to sprinkle that under the running water once it's halfway full and switch that around until it's completely dissolved. So now that we've given our activated charcoal mask time to sit while we prepare the bath, we're going to now use the V-Line Chin Up Mask. This is for lifting, firming, and chin up. I purchased this from Walmart. This is my first time using it. I'm just going to use this as my final skincare step following the instructions. I'm going to line up the holes in the center of the mask to the jaw and lift up the sides following the jawline in the shape of a letter V. I'm going to find the holes at the end of the mask and gently pull them to loop them over my ears. And I'll leave this mask on for 30 to 40 minutes and then remove it, which is why I chose to apply it during our bath, since it has to sit for 30 to 40 minutes. I like to go ahead and apply my Queen Helene 100% cocoa butter. This is for chapped lips, but I use it all over my face, and I'm also going to apply my Wild Growth Oil to my brows. If you all want to see my detailed full skincare routine, I will have that linked in my description box down below, as well as in the cards, since this is only the pampering version. So I'm starting off using my Dove exfoliating body polish. This is the Kiwi Seeds and Cool Aloe. And I basically use this by scooping out a generous amount in my hand, and I'm going to spread it all over my body in a circular motion and rinse. When I use this, I do follow up with my Dove Beauty Bar or the body wash as well. And I like to exfoliate before shaving just to remove dead skin. I'm taking the coconut cream and vanilla foot scrub. This helps to moisturize, brighten, and exfoliate as well. You just want to wet your feet before use. Massage this in a circular motion, focusing on the drier areas of the feet. So now that we're finished with our bath, I'm going to apply my Dr. Teal's body lotion. This video is not sponsored. I just like to use the same brand because I feel that they're formulated to work together. I'm just going to massage this all over my body. Also, I do want to mention after my bath, when I let the water out, just to kind of rinse off, I do stand under shower water afterwards. So you can do that at home too if you would like. I went ahead and picked up a few of my favorite little snacks and treats. Definitely go and pick up some of your favorite things for this portion as well. I grabbed some chocolate strawberries from Kroger, my favorite popcorn, the Boom Chicka Pop sweet and salty kettle corn from Dollar Tree, as well as my favorite chocolates, the Ferrero Rocher. And I just have some garlic mashed potatoes, some water, and some juice. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I definitely want you all to set aside some time, even if it's only for a few minutes. You don't have to do everything that I've included. Just include whatever you would like, or you can add extra steps to this as well. But I definitely think it's important to just have that time, that me time, you know, just where it's not about anyone else, just yourself. Because I feel that as humans, we definitely give and give and give. So you want to make sure that you're giving to yourself as well. I think that that's definitely important. Who better to take care of you than you know? So you can use this routine maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, or just whenever you feel like pampering yourself, even if it's not like a full-on routine. Just relaxing bubble bath alone should do it. Or if you're getting ready to go out for Valentine's Day, then you can definitely still set aside this time just for yourself before your date, girls' day out.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's good.
I hope you all enjoy your Valentine's Day. Definitely be safe, be careful.
Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I'm about to sit here and eat my food and enjoy it. Actually watch YouTube videos because I've had a really long day, so I'm actually really hungry. I didn't Instagram any of this, but it's all good. I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. But let me sit up. I don't want to look like I'm trying to be sexual on my channel. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. Since you're still here, you may as well watch more videos on my channel. I will have more of my routines over here. Maybe a skincare routine, nighttime routine, morning routine, pedicure routine. I'll make an entire playlist. One will be the playlist, one will be another video. Go and watch something else. Enjoy yourself. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye. I'm really hungry for real. I've been busy all day. I really ain't ate. I've been recording all day.
Let's taste this. Oh my god, no. Oh, I just wasted on my bedding. Shucks.